Most designers use AI for surface level stuff, captions, renders, maybe a mood board, but the top 1%, they're using it to run their studios faster, sharper, and with way less effort. In the last 6 months, I've worked with interior designers using AI in ways that are miles ahead of the average. And the result? More time, better clients, stronger concepts without burning out. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 AI habits top designers use every day and how you can start using them right now, even if you don't consider yourself techie. Habit 1, teach the AI to think like you. Most designers open ChatGPT and start typing like it's Google. But here's the truth. AI gets smarter the more it knows you. The top 1% don't just prompt better, they train the AI with their own work. They upload project notes, client emails, service guides, mood boards, even writing samples and tone of voice. That way, the AI isn't guessing. It's thinking with your standards, your tone, your style. So how do you actually teach AI to think like you? Here's a quick workflow. Step 1, pick a part of your business. Start small. Choose one piece of writing you already use often, like a welcome email, a proposal, an Instagram caption, a service guide intro. Step 2, choose 2 to 3 real examples of your writing. Pull from Google Docs, Notion, PDFs, even Canva text blocks. Step 3, ask ChatGPT or Claude to analyze it. Paste your samples and ask, summarize my writing style and tone so that I can reuse it consistently. Step 4, build a project or a GPT. In ChatGPT Pro or Claude, create a project, a dedicated workspace where you can upload files and set rules. Think of it like a branded AI assistant just for you. Paste in your writing samples and add a system instruction like use my tone and structure. Keep things friendly but expert. Always include a clear CTA. Now, when you ask for help, your AI assistant writes like you. This is especially powerful for proposals, emails, service descriptions, blog or caption writing. Train it once and save yourself hours later. Habit 2, talk. Don't type. Most designers are visual thinkers, not writers. So why are we typing everything? Top designers talk. They use voice to AI tools to ideate faster, sketch out concepts, and capture messy thoughts before they disappear. You can speak 3 to 4 times faster than you type. It's more convenient if you're on site or in a showroom, or you want to take notes after a client meeting. Here's how to try it. Open the ChatGPT mobile app, tap the mic, start talking. That's it. Use it mid-thought. Say, I'm working on a kitchen with natural textures but no white. What are some directions I can explore? Let it respond, then keep talking. Now you're thinking with the AI. If you're on desktop, use dictation tools like Mac Whisper or Super Whisper. You can also record a voice memo and use Whisper Flow or some other tool to drop it into ChatGPT later. Here's a real example. One of my clients used to spend an hour writing mood board outlines. Now she opens a tool of choice, talks for 2 minutes while flipping samples, and gets a draft concept she can refine in seconds. So talk, don't type. You'll think faster and design smarter. Habit 3, feed it context. If AI ever gave you a generic response, the issue wasn't the prompt or the tool. It was the context. The top 1% of designers give their AI systems the same info they've given you assistants. So what does that look like? Inside Claude or ChatGPT Pro, they create a project, a context-rich workspace, and they upload client briefs, mood boards, past proposals, brand voice guides, discovery call transcripts, style references. And then they write a system instruction like, you're my AI studio assistant. Use these files to write clearly, stay on brand, and meet my client's goals. Now your AI is working with real knowledge, not guessing. It's pulling from a real structured knowledge base that sounds and thinks like their studio. So try this. Choose one live project. Maybe it's a kitchen renovation or a new build concept. Upload the brief, a few emails, and some reference images. Add a system instruction like, "You are my studio assistant. Use the uploaded files to write clearly in my brand voice and only give suggestions that fit the needs of my client." You now have a personalized design assistant who knows the job. So, pro tip, use the REAL method for better context. REAL stands for relevant. Say only what matters. Efficient, make it summarized and clear. Accessible, use Google Docs or Notion to keep your best templates and guides in one project for easy reference. L, logical, structure your content with clear headers, labels, and a sequence. So good context equals great output. Here's an interior design example. Say you're preparing a concept presentation for a modern coastal home. Most designers would prompt with, "Give me a star statement for a modern coastal home." But pros upload the client brief, past project language, and their brand voice, and then say, using the uploaded files, write a style statement for the Smith project that feels relaxed and refined. Suddenly, you've gone from generic to studio specific. That's the power of good context. And the best part, you don't need fancy tools to do this. Just structure what you already have and drop it into the project. Context isn't a trick, it's how you turn AI into a second brain that actually knows what matters. Habit 4, match the model to the task. Using one AI tool for everything is like using one material for every room. Top designers know the right tool gives better results. Think of it like your materials library. You wouldn't use the same tile for every project, so why use one AI for every job? Here's a simple model task pairing that works. ChatGPT, used for client communication, project planning, SOPs, and fee proposals. Claude, summarizing discovery call, reviewing client questionnaires, writing thoughtful long-form content. Midjourney, mood boards, style studies, concept visuals. An AI voice, ChatGPT, to transcribe voice memos and brainstorm via dictation. Notebook LM, for reading long PDFs and researching design reports. Tools like Crea for generating visual ideas based on written specs or site data. But here's the catch, don't chase every shiny tool. It's easy to get overwhelmed. I've seen designers download 6 tools, open them all once, and never go back. The real habit isn't collecting tools, it's testing workflows. So test one workflow at a time. For example, write better proposals, systemize your onboarding, ideate faster visuals, and then iterate. Be agile. AI changes monthly. A tool you love today might be outdated in 3 months. You just need to be curious, confident, and willing to switch tools when something better fits your workflow. So here's a design workflow example, is to choose the best model for the task. Let's say you just wrapped up a discovery call. You want to summarize your notes, write a thank you email, build a mood board concept, draft a high-level scope, and instead of pushing one tool to do it all, you use Claude to summarize, use ChatGPT to write an email based on past emails that you have, use Midjourney to generate mood board directions, use ChatGPT again with a saved template to structure your scope. The habit isn't about knowing every model, it's about knowing how to match them to your needs and refining those workflows as you go. So habit number 5, use AI as your studio system. By now, you've seen how AI can help with writing, visuals, and brainstorming. But here's where the top 1% really pull ahead. They use AI to run their studio, not just create inside it, but operate the business side with clarity and consistency. So, what can it do? Think of AI as your studio assistant, helping with writing onboarding sequences, creating FAQs, drafting scopes, responding to tricky emails, clarifying pricing objections, prepping for client calls. Here's a real example. One of the most powerful ways I see designers using AI operationally is in their client communication systems. I created my prospect to project communication system to help with this. It's designed as a kind of digital playground where you can collect your best performing emails, refine them with AI using detailed prompts, and start to map out your entire communication journey from inquiry to offboarding. This is a Notion-based workspace where you can store and refine your best client emails, use AI to improve the tone, clarity, and structure, map your entire communication journey, build your system as you go instead of starting from scratch. You can literally drop an email draft into ChatGPT and ask to refine it for tone or clarity, and then save the best version back into your library, systematized and ready for next time. So if you're interested, you can check out Prospect to Project in the description below. It's a super useful place to start if you're ready to build a scalable studio system with AI. And there's a link in the description, or take a screenshot of the QR code that you'll see on the screen. So here's the mindset shift. Most designers treat AI like a creative tool. Top designers treat it like a studio infrastructure. If you've written a version of the same email more than once, that's a signal. It's time to turn it into a system. But you don't have to automate everything. But if AI can turn a 2-hour admin task into a 10-minute template, that's time back in your studio. So those are the 5 AI habits top performing interior designers are already using, not to replace their creativity, but to run faster, think clearer, and work smarter. The secret isn't using more AI, it's building habits that help AI work like an extension of your studio. And if you want to go deeper with one of the most powerful habits, context, watch this video next. It'll walk you step by step how to set up your first AI-powered project workspace using your own design files. It's practical, beginner-friendly, and will get you real results. And if you find this helpful, like and subscribe. It helps more designers discover smarter ways to work.